Guys, so Honda PCX no na 160. Latest na pricing nila rito guys no. Yan, no? So 5,796 ang kanyang installment. Guys, it's black. Yan, no? Honda PCX black. Naman guys, itong Honda PCX 160 category nito is red ang color, it's black. So ito yung kanyang 3 years installment guys, so 6,887. Naman guys, Bergman Street version 2. So ito ang kanyang price is 83,624. Yung Suzuki Bergman Street EX nila, ito yung latest version. Ayan, so malapat na yung gulong guys. Ayan, ito guys, naka-promo. 0 down payment to guys. Tapos ang kanyang 3 years installment 4,206. So on the click 160 and 5,150